नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपला जॉमेट्रीचा पिरियड आहे. जॉमेट्रीचा आपला पॅरलल लाईन्स हा चॅप्टर सुरू आहे. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1. 3 प्रॉब्लेम्स आपले झाले होते. आता हा चौथा प्रॉब्लेम बघा. फ्रॉम फिगर अँगल PQR इज अँड अँगल XYZ आर पॅरलल टू इच अदर. Angle PQR and angle XYZ, these angles are parallel to each other. Prove that angle PQR is congruent to the angle XYZ. This we have to prove. They are congruent, means this angle PQR is congruent to the angle XYZ. To prove this, we will do some construction in the figure. Expand this line, also expand line XY and line PQ. Okay, give the name to this as this angle. We will give the name XYZ, A, B and C. Okay, we have expand the lines of the angle. Now see the figure. From figure we observe that line this YZ is parallel to the line QR. If we take PQ as a transversal, then this angle A and angle C are corresponding angles. If we take line PQ and this line XY parallel lines and take this as a transversal, then again A and B are corresponding angles. A and B are corresponding angles. Then A and C are same, A and B are same. Obviously, by the property of transitivity, B and C are also same. But angle B is XYZ and angle PQR is angle C. Okay, this only we have to write. Now consider angle XYZ is equal to B, angle PQR is equal to C, and now I will give this name PMY angle PMY is equal to A. This we have written. Now which lines are parallel? Line PQ and line XY parallel, taking line YZ as a transversal. Line PQ parallel to the line XY, taking which is transversal? Line YZ as a transversal. If we have take this as a transversal, then measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B. Why we have written this? Give this as equation number 1, because they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Okay. Now which lines are parallel? Line YZ and line QR are parallel, taking PQ as a transversal. Line YZ parallel to the line YZC QR, taking which line as a transversal? Line PQ as a transversal. Line PQ as a transversal. Then measure of angle, see the figure. Measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle C. Give this as equation number 2. Why we can write this? Because they are also corresponding angles. From equation 1 and 2, A equal to B, A equal to C. LHS is same, therefore RHS also same. Measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle C. but angle B is XYZ, angle C is PQR. Therefore, measure of angle XYZ is equal to measure of angle PQR. Hence the proof. Now take the question number 5 from the figure. Line AB is parallel to the line CD. PQ is the transversal and measure of angle BRT is equal to 105. From this we have to find all these 4 angles. First is measure of angle ART. ART. See the figure. This angle BRT and angle ART. These angles are angles in a linear pair. If this angle is 105, then easily we can find measure of angle ART. See, measure of angle ART plus measure of angle BRT is equal to 180. Why we can write these angles in a linear pair? These are angles in a linear pair. That is measure of angle ART plus BRT is equal to 105 is equal to 180 degree. Measure of angle ART is equal to 180 minus 105. That is measure of angle ART is equal to 5. 17 minus 10, it is 75. We get the value of ART. ART equal to 75. Now CTQ. ART and CTQ, they are corresponding angles. Two parallel lines and they are transversal. Then corresponding angles are congruent. What we have given? Line which AB parallel to the line CD and PQ is a transversal. PQ transversal आहे. Then measure of angle, see the figure, ART is equal to measure of angle CTQ. Why we can write this? Because they are corresponding angles. ART is equal to 75 degree is equal to measure of angle CTQ. That is measure of angle CTQ is equal to 75 degree. Now again DTQ and angle BRT, they are also corresponding angles. Measure of angle DTQ is equal to measure of angle C DTQ and BRT. They are same. Why they are same? Because they are corresponding angles. That is measure of angle DTQ is equal to BRT. Measure of BRT is what is angle BRT? We have 105. Therefore measure of angle DTQ is equal to 105 degree. This also we have find. Now measure of angle PRB. See PRB. Angle PRB and this angle ART, they are vertically opposite angles. Measure of angle ART is equal to measure of angle PRB because they are vertically opposite angles. Therefore measure of angle ART is 75 degree is equal to measure of angle PRB. Therefore measure of angle PRB is equal to 75 degree. Okay, in this way we have finished the प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1. ओके.